Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, I want to say big up and respect to all my people within the country of Jamaica. I big up all Jamaicans. Then you see. Yeah, so that video where you see right so catch me attention, viewers, subscribers. I mean the video shows how I'm going to put it now. Police service motor vehicles. This is what I say. And the amount of police service motor vehicles I'm seeing in that video there. Me have to wonder, what did I go on there so? You see what I say? Oh, I think they see even soldier vehicle too. Yeah. But anyways, I don't have much information about that topic there. You know, it's just a video that catch my attention. I'm going to move on to a topic I want to talk about. You see? But however, voila. So, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a group of persons, viewers and subscribers. And when I tell you, say, this confrontation was really a heated confrontation. It was really heated. I mean, there was shoving and pushing and bad words being said, harsh language being said, and certain things happen. Anyways, my people, so I'm not sure how the confrontation started, but I got the understanding from the video that someone had been accused of hitting someone, viewers and subscribers. And I say, and the situation reached to a point where the video shows at least one person holding an object. In a part of the video, we see where a piece of that object fell on viewers and subscribers, which made me assume as to what might have happened. Because we noticed, me see someone in the video was holding a certain part of the body. You understand me? Anyways, so the situation also reached to a point where a person who was holding an object at some point also can be seen in the video holding an object that looks like a gun. Walk away from some type of confrontations. Avoid certain things. See? I don't know where this video will be recorded for the subscribers, and I think a lot of people might have seen this video before, but for some reason the video catch my attention. Anyway, let's take a look at this situation. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Right? Touch my sister again.
Yes, the man that beating you like a little rat. The man that beating you like a yes, yes. Defend him. Defend him. Put it like him to beat you. She going to beat you there. They beat you there like a little dog. Huh? But that government push me. What you pushing me for? No, it's when I stop in. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. You're not supposed to be here. Just now. Just now.
I'll show you my name. Touch my sister. You touch me. Touch my sister again.
You touched me. Just that. You touched me. Yes, you touched me. You touched me. Don't start something you cannot stop. If you cannot finish it, don't start. The man beating you like a little dog, but you there hyping up yourself. You depending him, but they're beating you like a dog. Let me go. No, it's fine. Let me go live. But is that you are there beating you like a little dog? You come in and touch me? You're not supposed to be here. You touching me? Put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. You. Do not ever put your hands on me. I did not freaking touch you. Touch me. No. You touch me and then you say that you will not get your rampant. You want to put your hands on me and you say no. You're not supposed to be there. You want him to touch you? He can't touch you, but I'll touch you. You come in and hit me? Huh? What you hitting me for? What you hitting me for? What you hitting me for? Huh? That's our proper. Okay. All right.
Don't hold me, Patrick.
That guy is not supposed to be there. Okay? That guy is not supposed to be there.
Patrick!
He can't do, but I promise you I'll hit you. Because you hit me. You have no right touching me. Stop it, the two of you. You don't stop the whole freaking thing. You put your hands on me. You are not supposed to. You are coming out. You don't come and touch anybody there. Huh? You come in and touch me for what? Huh?
Yo, you're gonna live.
Come to see what they do. Huh? You come in and hit me for what? Shut off the property.
That's it.
Don't touch me.
You're not even legal here. The property. You're not legal here.
You hit my sister.
You come and hit me, and now you playing that victim. You spit on me, you hit me, and now you crying like a little. What you crying for? You come and hit me. My property, that's how you come and hit me. You come in and say we break into the place. Ah, freaking place that there. You come in and hit me. You're not supposed to be on the freaking property. You come in and touch me for what? What you touching me for? Get out the property. Oi!
Try something. They can touch Shavina.
Cheryl, call the police.
I called the police already, bro.
They assaulted my sister first.
What you coming and touch me for? That's my property there.
Come on, it's my father. It's my father.
Come out of there. Have to stop.
It's my father.
Come out of there. Come out of there.
I agree with you. Video take everything. Come on, it's my father. I'm going to do all what she doing. Let she finish she acting.
You come in and hit me, telling me we break into the place. Huh? Our property, you come in and hit me?
I don't hit my sister.
You come in and hit me?
You're gonna come out of there.
You're not even legal here. You have no papers. A criminal you are. Why make you in prison? You just come back.
You must listen. You must listen. Drop me. You must listen. Stop it. I want
Just
you.
now. I have to record it. I'm not going anywhere yet. I'm not going anywhere yet. The girl had no right putting her hands on me. Bad, you think you bad. You're not even legal here. A whole week you in jail. Every time they have to come and arrest you, you come and put your hands on me. That man beating you like a little and you come and put your hands on me. Nobody don't owe you money. You're a fraud. Everybody know you're a fraud.
Yes, everybody record. I want everybody to record it. You hit my sister first and then you think I'll stay there like a boy. Because I'm a boy. You hit that child. She never assault you. Me that take you on. That girl I got you a share. Touch my sister. You I want. Shakima. Because you daring everybody. You hit that child. She don't do you anything and I'll stay there. Girl, I should have crushed your face for you.
And it's me that they're holding Shikwana. Me that they're saying not to talk. But you come in and hit me?
Try it again.
Me you come in and hit?
Try it again. Hit my sister. Because you're bad. I have to meet you face to face. You I went. You not Shakima. You crying. I should have bust your face for you. Bust your face.
She have blood all over her. Somebody bust her nose or something.
Bust your face for you.
Stop it, both of you, and come out of there. Both of you, get out of the venue.
Wow. Wow. I think this video is somewhat of an example when we say walk away from some type of confrontations. You see? By walking away from some type of confrontations, something like that can be prevented. You see what I say? Yeah, and here the next thing again too. No matter what, from someone hit someone, I don't agree with that. No, I'm not talking self-defense. No, I'm not talking self-defense. You see what I'm saying? See, so the person, well, the video shows a person was holding an object, and then at some point the video shows the person was holding an object, holding what is believed to be a gun. What do you think about that? I saw a video that had been posted on a social media page or account that is Belize related, that shows some things that happened when a person who is said to be a law enforcer was searching a person And the person who had been searched is believed to be a male. But listen to people. So during this thing that is said to be a search, and even the video shows certain things that happened when the law enforcer pulled down a type of pants that the person was wearing. I mean, there are persons out there who might call it short pants. Some people might call it a different thing. I'm not sure. You see what I say? But the person who is believed to be a law enforcer also pulled down the person's underwear during the so-called search. The law enforcer searched the person because the person is suspected of stealing, viewers and subscribers. The law enforcer is believed to be a male. The person who was being searched is believed to be a male. The person also had been somewhat kind of turned, not a full 360, but turned in other people. Yeah, we can understand from the video that the person who was being searched handed at least one thing to someone, and a knife also had been found. But the way how the search had been done, it's in my point of view, it just kind of extreme. You see what I say? Because the person area had been exposed a certain type of way. You see me? I don't want to totally explain everything. You see me? I say, even the video, I can't show you the entire video certain ways without editing certain things all the time because it's a way.
The brief?
So what that law enforcer had done is being criticized. I may see quite a number of comments about the whole thing on social media, about the video on social media. And let me tell you something, people. I can't read all of the comments them, but I'm going to try to read for some of the comments them because some words and some of the comments them. Alright, so see, there's a one comment from me can't read out all of this, but words in one comment from me say is he look INNA D man, and then my left out the part there. Words in a comment are yes, he stole, that's wrong, but you shouldn't conduct the search like that. Which in my point of view, I think that's a valid point right there. So words in a comment are well, I don't want to call out the Lord name in vain, so I'm going to continue from the part there. Those police officers have no respect for human like themselves. We understand that the young man thief from the store, but search him like that in public and social media showing the young man private parts, stripping him inside the store is wrong. Why didn't they take him in a room private? That's not right. I hope that young man learn his lesson not to go steal from no one again. Life is hard and there's more. You understand? Life is hard and there's more. To that comment, there's only some people, but stop it right this because I tell you, so words in another comment are next time turn his front away from the camera. Words in another comment are the whole store there in a uncle boxes. The whole store there in a uncle. Listen, my people. Some of the comments that I can't read all of the words from some of the comments that I see, but I tell you. Whatever happened or whatever you can see in the video where me say is being criticized by, I'm going to say a lot of persons. See, and look away. And in my point of view, I think that search was just extreme. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, I'm in Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla.